Before using the blast bag, you need to make sure that you have all the appropriate equipment. First, you need to have the appropriate PPE. Next, you need to have your female cam lock with male threading. That way you can attach this to the blast bag and help you drain the effluent from the bag. Then you have to have the hose with the male cam lock. That way you're able to attach that to the female cam lock. Then you need to make sure, depending on what PSI you're blasting at, you need to make sure you have the blast plate and also the zip ties to attach the blast plate to the shell head. And last but certainly not least, you need to make sure you have the blast bag itself. Prior to blast bag installation, hold the blast plate against the exchanger and the face of the flange. While doing so, use rope or zip ties to tie the blast plate off to the bolt holes on the flange. Make sure the blast plate is resting nearly flush on the head of the exchanger. The objective is to deflate the water in order to reduce the pressure coming against the polyethylene. Once completed, please install the blast bag. Place the open end of the blast bag on the end of the exchanger opposite of the operator. The belt should be just past the edge of the flange. Pull the belt on each side of the buckle to tighten the bag around the flange. Tighten as much as possible so the bag is secured around the flange and cannot be pulled off. Check the NPT fitting to make sure it is facing the ground. If you are planning to drain the blast bag using a hose, we recommend using camlock fittings to attach to the hose. If the blast bag company's 2-inch camlock fittings were purchased with the order, attach the 2-inch female camlock fitting to the blast bag's 2-inch NPT fitting and the 2-inch male camlock with hose shank to the non-collapsible hose. Once the hose is connected to the blast bag and the blast bag is secure on the exchanger, you may begin to clean.